Good morning, traders. We have a 60-minute chart on the E-mini S&P 500 futures. Hourly chart. Those futures are gapping up 33 points. You can see right here on the hourly chart where they started. We were oversold. This is the beginning of a Christmas rally. Once again, we will power your trading. The futures gap up. Stocks are going to gap up and continue to run. Their earnings, once again, have been coming in. They're solid. So let us help you make the money. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Sign up on the YouTube channel. Subscribe. Put your comments there. Today we'll be updating lots of breakouts. We'll help you make the money. That's what we're here to do. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Once again, that's where you're going to make the money. That's how you're going to get the great entries and the great exits. Sign up today.